We are going to talk about one of the big birds in Sri Lanka. Black-necked stock, Incinella halimanacoca, or halimanawa, is the tallest bird in Sri Lanka. These birds are usually as tall as humans. But no matter how big it is rarely seen. Ornithologists believe that there are less than 20 birds in Sri Lanka. Black-necked stock nest has been reported in Sri Lanka yet. The Department of Wildlife Conservation has launched a special promotion program to draw public attention to the endangered black-necked stock. Under this, 7 super wildlife stars were introduced recently. The only bird on the list of 7 is the black-necked stock. Although a rare bird, there are 3 places in Sri Lanka where you can see the black-necked stock. These are Yala, Kumana, and Bundala National Parks. It is easy to identify because of its large size. Beak, head, and neck black. Purple feathers appear on the head. The head and beak are large compared to the slender body. The outer and abdominal area is wide. The female bird's eye is bright yellow. The male bird's eye is brown. Usually alone or in pairs. If you see these birds, it is not advisable to approach them immediately. They are very careful, sensing an accident, Zane flees. Then the wings collide and make a loud noise. These birds have been observed building their nests by collecting large sticks. Nesting in tall trees such as Bo and Nuga, these birds have deep nests. The female lays between 2 and 4 light blue mixed eggs. Eggs are 75-54 in size.